Hello everybody, hope you're having a great day. I definitely am. My Sideshow Collectibles Leatherface came in today. I wasn't expecting it, but it is here. Didn't even get a shipping notification or anything, so it was a surprise. Well, let's get it open and check it out. Definitely looking forward to this. I ordered it September 21st, 2016. So it's been almost a year from the pre-order. Come on out. This is number 74 out of 1,000. There it is in the box. Awesome image on there. Close up there. That looks good. Awesome picture of Leatherface. Now let's get the statue out here. I've been looking for this for a long time, ever since I got the Jason. I wanted the Leatherface to match. In probably a month and a half, 2 months, the Freddy will be here. I got him pre-ordered also. This little back part, there's something. It's his apron. It's cool. Almost it. There we go. Don't need the knife anymore. Okay, let's get the base out first. Oh. That is nice. Has different scenes all the way around. Very, very cool. The top, some feathers and some bones, just like the inside of the house. And the bottom's pretty cool. I think the Jason, it didn't have this, it was just plain on the bottom. I got a sticker here. It's 74 out of 1,000. Let's see, what next here? Another part of the base. Got a jawbone. Some wood here. Very cool. Looks like this one goes here. There it is. That is cool. Second one, it's just plain wood post. Sticks on there some magnets. Let's get his body out here. Oh man. It's good size. That's tight too. Oh, the clothes are really nice on this. Already so big, hard to get a good shot of him. This tie, like a little wire in his tie, so you can pose it however you want. It's kind of funny with no arms or head though. So let's get him together some more. Alright, pig. Get a close up of these boots. There's that boot. They look good. Fits right on there. Perfect. Next part we have is arm with the saw. I shrink wrapped it here. Oh, that looks good. Almost looks like metal. Very good job on the paint. See all the veins and everything in his arm. A little bit of blood splatter. Hand is pretty good. Oh. On there. This looks a little tricky here. Get his sleeve around and slide arm into the socket. I can tell my bird already does not care for Leatherface. It's not going all the way in. I can't see why. A little bit of fabric around that. There we go. It's a little tricky right there. They could have made his arm a little shorter, but it works good once you get together. It's not like you take it apart or move it around very much. Oh, let's get his head for sure. Wow. An awesome job on his head. His eyes and his teeth. Just amazing. I'll get some better close-ups of this later, but that's pretty good. Very ugly sucker right there. Very, very cool. Hair looks really good. Even got real leather straps on his mask. Clothes get in the way of this one too a little bit. Get that neck just right. There you go. Should have the handle and that little part from the chainsaw now. Yeah. Just little parts of the handle. Magnetic that go on there. That's alright. We'll have to mess with that later. We got our exclusive item. A hammer. I kind of like the exclusive stuff that came with Jason, the alternative head and the spirit gun, but this one you get a hammer. And you can't change his hands or anything, so you can't really hold it. It just sits on the base, but still pretty cool. Okay, I got him all put together. Got his apron on. Definitely looks pretty cool. I need to play around and get his apron the way I want and his tie. They have little wires in there so you can adjust them however you want. Really cool. Definitely great looking statue. The details are really good. Did a really good job on him. Definitely happy with the purchase. He'll look great next to Jason. And when Freddy comes in, they look really good all together. That is it. Thank you for watching, everybody. Hope you all have a wonderful day. And definitely consider getting this. It's a good purchase, I believe.